Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, if you are new here, my name is Ikato Blessing and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing something interesting, guys. We are going to be doing something interesting. We are going to be doing some unboxing drum rolls. So guys, I literally ordered something extremely cheap, if that makes sense, from Aliexpress, and the package just came in and I decided to do some unboxing for you guys. Yeah, and that's on period. So guys, I ordered something on Aliexpress and we are going to unbox it together while I tell you the details about this particular order. So let's get right into this video. So guys, this is literally how it came in. It's actually how it came in. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. So I ordered something. So without wasting much time, we're going to be making use of the scissors. I can't wait to see what I ordered, guys. Okay. A moment of truth. A moment of truth. Guys, it's even torn. The carton is torn. Can you guys see it? The carton is torn. This is how it came in, as you can see. This is actually like a selfie stick. Yeah, a selfie stick, and it came in black. I think I ordered for black. I think they had black, white, pink and green when I ordered for this, and guys, it was extremely cheap, guys. So fine. Wow, like it's so portable. I don't know how to do this, but as you can see, and it came with these mini lights. Gosh, I don't know how this is done, but I think I will have to go through. This is what it looks like. I don't know how to do this yet, so I think I will have to go through the manual before, so that I don't spoil it. But this is what it looks like. This is a selfie stick I ordered from Aliexpress, and guys, it was extremely cheap, if that makes sense. At the time where dollar actually increased to about I think 1.8 per dollar, 1,800 naira per dollar. I think that is where I took the opportunity. Remember guys, I was like, I don't have anything in my dollar card, my Clasher virtual dollar card, and I just had to go check it, and I remember I saw that I still had about, I think, 89 cents, if that makes sense. So I just went through Aliexpress and I was like, what will I get with this 89 cents? This dollar is very high. Let me just try my luck. And guys, I saw this selfie stick. Guys, how much? Guess how much? I literally bought this for 49 cents, and that was equivalent to about, not up to 800 naira, it was 780 something naira. And guys, I did not waste time. See, this selfie stick is everything. I just needed something portable that I can literally use and I can easily carry about to anywhere, just in case maybe I want to vlog or any other thing. And this is what it looks like. I don't know how to do this yet. I don't know how to open. I don't know how to use it yet, which I would go through the manual. And then it came with a charger. I think it's for the light. It came with this mini charger. And guys, I think there's nothing else inside apart from, I think, this book, this manual. This guide, Jesus, and it's in Chinese. I'll just follow. I think they actually kept pictures on how to make use of it. I'll go through it, and guys, I will let you know if this product is very good. I'm shocked. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but I am happy I remember I told you guys, so let's check for pictures. I did. I almost did not get it, not until when I saw someone, a lady literally using this selfie stick to create content, and I literally saw it was very small, but I saw the lady using it, and guys, it was good. So I just decided to get it, knowing fully well that this literally like expensive, if that makes sense. And guys, it came in within 2 weeks. Yeah, it came within 2-3 weeks, and they sent a rider, and it was free shipping, guys. It was free shipping, and they literally sent a rider. So guys, I think this is literally all. This is what the selfie stick look like, and I hope I can be able to show you guys how to use it. I might do another video to show you guys how I use it or how to operate this, just in case maybe you want to get. So guys, this is what it's looking like, and I am so glad I ordered this. Okay, so guys, this is literally all for now. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this unboxing and you want to see more, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. And you can also watch other my videos on how to shop on Aliexpress and how to get a virtual dollar card. So guys, this is literally all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.